I don't know why this won't work. This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. So, on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. The daily financial wisdom is losses do not block your trading education, they are your trading education. Okay, so we're going to quickly move over to our charts to see how things are trending up today. And before we get started, we always take care. We have just some housekeeping rules. We're going to talk about our 4 rules of trading. Okay, our first rule of trading is that we're always going to make sure that we pay ourselves first. Our second rule of trading is to make sure you drop that stop loss in at your entry point. Once the trade takes off and you're seeing some great momentum, great profits, you're going to go ahead and pay yourself, and then you're going to drop in a stop loss at the entry point. Our third rule of trading is our 50-period simple moving average. That is our buy sell indicator. So whenever that buy sell indicator is positioned in between the 200 and the 500, that is our no buy, no sell zone. And our fourth rule of trading is patience. Okay, so let's start with EUR USD. Okay, this particular market has been rule number 3 for probably the last maybe a week or two. And we're still in this position. So we are going to get some opportunities. Once the 50-period moving average moves out of the danger zone, we're going to be able to take advantage of this market. But for right now, no buy, no sell. GBP USD. This is also another market that we are not in due to rule number 3. So we're going to move on to our next chart. So we got to be patient, friends. We don't want to put ourselves in unnecessary risk. So we stay out of markets where there's a lot of inconsistencies. Okay. USD CHF. Okay, friends, this is a buy market. We actually have our buy order in this particular market. The market has not rallied though. Very, very sluggish to even hit our buy order, but we're going to be patient in this particular market. Just wait it out. USD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect, friends. No buy, no sell. Just be patient. Wait it out, okay? EUR, CHF. Okay, friends, rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who's currently not in this market. The rest of us, we placed our trades in, probably since August of last year, and we've been paying ourselves off of this market. So we're going to pay ourselves. Everyone else who just got in, now, rule number 3 is in effect, no buy, no sell. EUR, GBP. Okay, friends, this is also a market here that we have been buying. Pullbacks have happened in this market, so we're going to be patient. We have to wait on the market. Now, in the event that the trend changes due to our pullbacks, then we're going to go ahead and take our minor loss and we're going to reposition, okay? We're usually taking minor losses maybe 2-3 times a month, no big deal, because we are paying ourselves every day off of these markets. So we're going to hold that trade open until the market tells us that the trend has changed. EUR JPY. Okay, friends, this is also a buy market that we're buying. Pullbacks have happened. The market has never hit our buy order. It has continued to pull back, but the trend has not changed. So we're going to wait. We have to wait this out. Be patient, okay? In the event that the trend changes, we're just going to take out our buy stop order, which never triggered, and we're going to reposition with a sell order. But for right now, the market still says that this is a buy market. So, friends, there's a lot of pullbacks that are happening in these markets due to the fact that there's a lot of strings that are being pulled in these countries. So we as traders are not privy to all the ins and outs of what on all the behind the scenes happenings in these particular markets. All we have is what the chart says in front of us. If it says it's a buy market, we buy. If it says it's a sell market, we sell. The market takes in consideration all the different strings that are being pulled, and it will give you the predominant trend of the market. Okay. So we trust that. Okay. GBP CHF. Okay, friends, this was a sell market. We placed our sell trade in. The market pulled back on us. We're just going to wait it out. Be patient, okay? We're going to wait that one out. GBP, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell, okay? CHF, JPY. This is also a buy market that we bought. It pulled back on us, but the trend has not changed as of yet. So we're going to be patient, wait for the market, okay? So now we're going to take a look at these oil markets. Now, all of these oil markets, they were buy markets, but they all pull back on us. None of our orders triggered because it's been consistently pulling back. It's interesting to note, friends, that the price of a barrel of oil is $73. But have any of you all noticed any cheaper gas? I haven't. It doesn't look like the gas has gone down, that the gas is reflective to the price of the cost of a barrel of oil. I mean, at the height when the market, the economy was probably back in April of last year. The barrel, the cost of a barrel of oil was like $124. So yeah, we were seeing, huge increases in our gas prices, but now things just does not make sense. So, but this is just, you guys are seeing the prices of a barrel of oil, and it just do not coincide with what we're paying at the pump. But just FYI. So that goes for Brent crude, Brent spot. And that's why I was going to letting you guys know that there are a lot of different strings that are being pulled, that's dictating these major pullbacks that are happening in these markets. So that, that's this right here, the oil market really substantiates that. WTI crude is also another market where there's major pullbacks. It looked like the trend is getting ready to change in these oil markets here. We'll have better confirmation tomorrow that the trend is changing. So if you want to go ahead and drop in your sell stop order, okay, because the trend is changing in these oil markets. So that's going to go for WTI crude. You want to go ahead and WTI spot, go ahead and drop in your sell order, sell stop orders in those markets. We're going to go ahead and pull out our buy orders, which never triggered, and drop in a sell stop, okay? Now let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, friends, rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who's currently not in that market, okay? ETH USD. But for everyone else who is in those markets, I think it was a buy market. So everyone who's still in there with their buy orders, make sure you pay yourselves, okay, in those buy markets. The rest of us who did not take advantage of that, didn't get into those markets, rule number 3 is in effect. A lot of day traders, because these markets are kind of slow, may choose not to engage in these particular markets because it's just not enough movement, either up or down, to make it worth your while. But for those that did opt to get in, make sure you pay yourselves, friends, in that buy market, okay? Everyone else who didn't get in, stay out. LTC USD. This is also rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who currently is not in that market. Everyone else, pay yourself. Okay, we're going to look at our silver market. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect. Okay, no buy, no sell. And then we're going to take a look at our gold market. This market was a buy market. I'm not sure how many people got in there, but I'm sorry, friends. This is not a buy. This is a sell market. I do apologize for that. Okay. I would not place a sell order. And we talked about this last week. The trend is a sell market, but there's pullbacks due to, like I was saying, there's a lot of different strings, but there's a lot of behind the scene actions that are happening in these markets. Okay. So I would not get into that market. No buy, no sell. Okay. Hang out. USD MXN. Okay. This is a sell market. We've been selling. We're going to pay ourselves off of this market today. EURNOK. Okay, friends, this is a buy market. Hopefully you guys got into this buy market. And then we're going to look at EURZAR. This is another beautiful buy market. I hope you guys got your orders in there, and I hope you are able to pay yourselves off of this market, okay? USDNOK, another beautiful buy market. Hopefully you got your buy orders in there, and hopefully you're seeing some great profits. Make sure you pay yourself. Make sure that stop loss is in at your entry point. Real simple, friends. Okay, just those 4 rules of trading. That is what dictates our trades. Okay, USD SEK. Rule number 3 is in effect, friends. No buy, no sell. USD SGD. Okay, this is a buy market. The trend has changed in this market. So if you want to go ahead and place a buy stop order, yes, do so. Make sure it's a buy stop order only. USD ZAR. This is a buy market here, friends. We got our buy order in here. The market has not quite reached our buy order yet. We're just going to be patient and wait this one out in this buy market, okay? Make sure you place a buy stop order only. CAD, CHF. Okay, friends. Now, this particular market, the trend was changing to a buy market. Pullbacks are happening. I would not place any buy orders at this time. I would wait this one out. CAD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who's currently not in this market. Everyone else, pay yourselves. We got in very early in these markets, so we like to get in when the trend changes. So when the trend changes, we jump in with both feet, okay? And then we ride these trends all the way down. And some of these trends can last up to 6 months to 2 years. So we like to get in early. We have a large enough account and large enough lot size that we're able to pay ourselves nicely every day, okay? EURCAD. Okay, this market has turned to a sell market, but because of the pullbacks that are happening, I would not place any sell orders at this time. Wait it out. We'll let you know. GBP CAD. Rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who's currently not in this market. Everyone else, pay yourselves. We got, like I said, we got this market here. We got in early. We got in early, probably back, I would say, August of last year. We placed our buy order and we've been paying ourselves off of it since then, okay? So everyone else, pay yourselves. Make sure your stop loss is in at your entry point. Everyone else who did not get a chance to get in here, this market, rule number 3 is in effect. USD CAD. Okay, friends, this we have a buy order in here, okay? And we are paying ourselves nicely off of this market. Hopefully you guys got yours in there. But if you want to go ahead and place another buy stop order, yes, do so, okay? AUD CAD. Okay, this is also okay, friends, this is a sell market. We had a buy order in here, friends. The trend changed on us. So we're going to take our first minor loss, okay? We're going to go ahead and pull out, take our minor loss. We're going to reposition and place in a sell stop order, okay? So this is a couple of times a month, like we talked about, that we're going to probably have to take a couple of minor losses a month, and today is the occasion. So we're going to go ahead and make that adjustment. We're going to go ahead and pivot, drop in our sell order, and we're going to make our money back, okay? AUD CHF. Okay, friends, this is a buy market that we were buying. There were so many, there's the pullbacks were significant enough. It looks like the trend is about to change in this market. We're getting first early signs of a trend change. It never did hit our buy order. So we're going to go ahead and pull that out and reposition with a sell stop order. Okay. AUD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect, friends, for everyone who currently is not in this market. Everyone else, we got in early on this market here, selling it. So we're going to be paying ourselves off of this market today. So everyone else who's in it, pay yourselves. The rest of you all who did not get in, rule number 3 is in effect. AUD and ZD. This is another market. Rule number 3 is in effect. I missed my mark. I also missed my the opportunity to get in that. So I'm not in that market. Okay. AUD, USD. And this is another market we are not going to get in. Everyone who's not in it, we're not getting into it. Okay. Rule number 3 is in effect. EUR, AUD. Okay, friends, this here, the trend, we're getting signs. There were some major pullbacks in this market, and it appears that we're getting our first signs that the trend is changing in this market. Okay. We actually had a sell order in here that we're going to have to take a minor loss on. We're going to go ahead and do that, reposition with a buy order tomorrow. So just FYI, we're getting our first sign that because of the major pullbacks that the trend is changing. So, okay. EURNZD. This is also a buy market, friends. We placed a buy order in here. The market has not rallied yet to even hit our buy order. So we're just going to be patient and wait this one out. GBP, AUD. Okay. Rule number 3 is in effect, friends. No buy, no sell. We're leaving that market alone. I wasn't able to get into that either. So I missed my window. GBP and ZD. Okay, friends, this is also a buy market. We placed a buy order last week. We are starting to see some profits, friends. So now that the market is rallying, we're going to go ahead. We're going to pay ourselves off of this market, and we're going to drop our stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event things head south, it'll hit our stop loss at our entry point and knock us out the market, no loss. Okay. But today we get an opportunity to pay ourselves off of this brand new market that we got in last week on. Okay. NZD, CAD. Okay, friends, this is a sell market. We placed our sell order in this market, but the market has pulled back on us, never hit our sell order. Rule number 4, friends, you just got to be patient, okay? As day traders, we place trades we place trades, and then we just have to wait till the following day and see how things pan out, okay? NZD, CHF. This is a sell market here. We have our sell order in here. We're just waiting for the market to head south. We just have to be patient, okay? Be patient. NZD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect, friends. No buy, no sell. I missed my opportunity to get in this market as well. But, we just wait. We'll have another opportunity to get into these markets. NZD, USD. This is another market. Rule number 3 is in effect. Missed our window. We're just going to hang out and wait. And now let's take a look at the Dow Jones Index, which is the US 30 index. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect in this market, friends. Okay, no buy, no sell. And that's kind of understandable, friends, with everything that's going on in the market. A lot of fluctuation, a lot of strings are being pulled. And so our 50 period moving average is in that danger zone because things can go either way right now because of everything that's happening in the market and all the behind the scene happenings that we're not privy to. Okay. So that's why we have to stay out of these certain markets, whereas in in the danger zone, we stay out of those markets because there's a lot of manipulations that's going on. So we stay out. Okay. US. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. Okay, friends, this is another market we're not in. Rule number 3 is in effect. We're staying out of these danger zone markets. A lot of manipulations are going on. US Tech Index. And this is also another market that we're staying out of right now, danger zone. We're staying out of these markets. And Japan Index. Okay, friends, so this is also a market that has now entered, it's about to enter the danger zone. I would stay out of it, okay? There's a lot of things happening in the world scene, a lot of manipulations, a lot of strings are being pulled, so we try to stay out of those particular markets during those time frames, okay? DE30 index, or the DEX index. Okay, this is a buy market. We have our buy order in there. We're just waiting for things to rally. Okay, we're just waiting. We have to be patient. And then the UK 100 index. Okay, this right here is a buy market. We were in this market, friends, and we were making great profits. We had our stop loss in at our entry point, and then things headed south. Knocked us out the market. So we're out of this market. We're not going to get back in due to all the major pullbacks that are happening. We're not getting back into that market. We made our money when we could, and then the market knocked us out. So no loss, no biggie. And that's the way we like to trade, friends. We make our money in the beginning. If the market should head south on us, we have our stop loss in to cover ourselves, knock us out the market, and we'll just wait for the next opportune time to get back into these markets. So, okay, so friends, that will conclude our chart analysis. We're going to be back tomorrow for more daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis.